आता पळोवया खेळामळावेल्यो खबरो। भारतीय अंपायर वेंकट राघवन हो संवसारांतलो एक बऱ्यापैकी अंपायर आशिल्लो। आदलो स्पिनर वेंकट राघवन अंपायर म्हूण निवृत्त जाल्ल्याक आयसीसीच्या अंपायरांच्या एलिट पॅनलान भारताचो एकूय अंपायर पाविल्लो ना। बीसीसीआयच्या अंपायरांच्या पॅनलांतलो गोंयकार नितीन पै म्हणटा ते प्रमाण हो दुकळ आनीक चड दीस उरचो ना। मॅची मजगती पावस आयल्यार निकाला खातीर जयदेवनान काडिल्लो रेन फॉर्म्युला डकवर्थ लुईच्या पद्दती परस बरो अशें नितीन म्हणटा।
वेंकट राघवन हो भारतांतलो आतामेरेनचो सगळ्यांत बरो अंपायर, मात ताचे उपरांत आयसीसीच्या एलिट पॅनलांत पावपा सारको अंपायर अजून मेरेन हांगा जावंक ना।
You have put me in an embarrassing position to answer this question. See what happens in India. What we need is backup. Backup in the sense there are very good umpires, but they are not getting exposure to international circuit in the ICC. Now BCCI has put the things in fast track. They say you perform and be there. After 2-3 years, you will come to know there are around 4-5 umpires in the elite panel from BCCI. Now there are so many umpires like Shabir Tarapur from Bangalore. He is in the elite panel. Then we had Amish Saiba. Then Sanjay Hazare. Then now the new entrants are my colleague umpire S. Ravi from Chennai. Then Sudhir Asnani from Indore. There are so many guys are coming up. But only the thing is, you need little bit of backup.
We keep asking Shadab and Swapnil when they will make the international debut. I think we can ask you also, sir, when do you feel your international debut is due?
God willing, I am due in fact, but let me see. That's what I said. God willing, you will see me in short time. But I don't want to, tell you something exaggerated. But to put it straightforward to you, your performance at domestic level in BCCI has to be good to go to that level.
वन डे मॅची चालू असताना पावस पडत जाल्यार डकवर्थ लुई पद्दत लावन त्या मॅचीचो निकाल लायतात। मात ही पद्दत खूबच किचकटीची आनी लोकांक सहसा समजुपा सारकी न्ही। खेळटल्या पंगडांकय ती कांय वेळार लक्षांत येना।
See, let me put it straight across to you. Duckworth Lewis, we have been following, as you know, still it is being followed at international circuit. Here in domestic level, we have been following for the last so many years. But board has introduced now a person by name V. Jaydevan from Kerala. He has introduced one formula which gives equal opportunity for both the sides. But in Duckworth Lewis, what happens is if you lose the wickets, when you chase the runs, if you lose the wickets, your resource percentage available to you is very less.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार सुशांत पळ।
दुसरी सेजा गोवा JSW अखिल गोय मेजर रँकिंग बॅडमिंटन सर्त वास्को सोंपली। दादल्या मदीं फ्लॉयड आराउज जैतिवंत थारलो। ताणें फायनलींत नवनीत नासनोडकाराक हरयलो। मुरगांव बॅडमिंटन क्लबान गोंय बॅडमिंटन संघटनेच्या जोडपालवान ही सर्त घेतिल्ली।
13 वर्सां सकयल्या पिरायेच्या चल्यांच्या गटांत ध्रुव आंगलेन सर्त जिखली जाल्यार मंजुश्री नायक चलयांनी जिखले। 15 वर्सां सकयल्या पिरायेच्या चल्यांच्या सर्तींत प्रणव सिलीम खान जाल्यार चलयां मदीं अनुरा प्रभुदेसाय जिखले। सनत कामतीन चिन्मय कामतीक 17 वर्सां सकयल्या पिरायेच्या चल्यांच्या सर्तींत मारलो। अनुरा प्रभुदेसायन तिच्या पिराये परस वयल्या पिरायेच्या गटांतल्या चलयांक हारोवन 17 वर्सां सकयल्या पिरायेचो गटय गाजयलो। फ्लॉयड आराउजोन नवनीत नासनोडकाराक चल्यांच्या फायनलींत मारून दादल्यांची सर्त जिखली। मुरगांव बॅडमिंटन क्लबाचो अध्यक्ष एन वायापुरीन सर्ती विशीं सांगले।
And last year we conducted that in the first time tournament and we received very good response. This year also this is the first time among the other club we received 236 entries and 207 players participated. So it shows the interest of the local residents. And I hope next year also we are going to conduct in a big way. So I request all all the club members will participate and get the benefit out of it.
सर्तींत भुरग्यांनी दाखयिल्ल्या खेळाच्या दर्ज्याचेर गोंय बॅडमिंटन संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष खोशी आसा.
Marmagua Badminton Club has done a remarkable job in conducting this tournament. In fact, last year the enthusiasm was so great, and we knew that this is one of those tournaments which Vasco has been lacking for a lot of time. And they have done exceedingly well with the amount of entries that have participated. And keeping the National Games 2014, which we have, the Sports Authority of Goa has kept a substantial budget at for the Goa Badminton Association to bring up youngsters.
वास्कोच्यान आमचो खबराकार सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.
आनी इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.